So, what if I told you that 77% of wealthy people are using banks that are silently draining their money, exposing their data, and even risking their wealth during market crashes? That's right. Big name retail banks are a nightmare for anyone serious about protecting and growing their fortune. The ultra rich won't touch them with a 10-foot pole. So, here's the question you already know the answer to. Are you letting your money sit in the wrong bank? Well, keep watching because in the next few minutes, you'll discover the banking ladder that the rich swear by and exactly where you should actually be putting your money. So, welcome to the Financial Freedom Network, the channel that exposes the truth behind your money, your credit, and your future. If you care about keeping more of your hard earned cash, boosting that credit score, and staying ahead of the financial curve, just smash that like button and subscribe right now. Trust me, every video we release could change the way you live. So buckle up because this one's no exception. So let's dive straight in. So let's start at the bottom of the banking ladder with retail banking. This is where most of us begin. Big national banks, checking accounts that cost you money with fees, and funds that are fully exposed to domestic lending cycles. The problem? Well, these banks make their money by loaning out your deposits for mortgages, car loans, credit cards, you name it. That ties your money to consumer driven economies, making it vulnerable during recessions, trade wars, or rate crashes. They're not built to protect your wealth. They exist to serve their profit model. And while they're handy for everyday transactions, for serious money that you want to preserve and grow, well, that's a major blind spot. So now I'm going to cover mid tier wealth. This is where accessible offshore or AOB banking comes in. So with just 5,000 to 75,000, you can open accounts in foreign jurisdictions fully online. Now these banks offer multiple diversifications, multiple currency options and greater privacy, but they're not perfect. Some still rely heavily on domestic lending and lack deposit insurance. That means you've got to choose your country and choose your bank wisely. Find stable jurisdictions with strong regulators and global correspondent banking ties. Now, if you're sitting in this mid tier space, these banks offer real improvements, but you still need to do your due diligence. Now, here's where things step up. Premier banking, sometimes called privilege or priority banking, gives you all the perks of international access, but with much bigger players. Now, you'll need 75,000 to 300,000 to qualify. These banks offer prioritized support, global investment tools, multiple currencies, and importantly, personalized service. The catch? Well, you'll need the right citizenship residency and tax status. And only certain banks in places like Singapore, Hong Kong, the Channel Islands, or the US will meet your needs. If you're serious about global diversification without going fully private, this is where the smart money goes. And now we're going to talk elite private banking. Now, this isn't just better service, this is bespoke wealth management for people with $1 million or more. Now, these banks often require 1 to 5 million minimum, depending on the country and the bank. You get full investment advisory, estate planning help, trust services, and serious privacy, but it's selective. Citizens from sanctioned countries or those without compatible tax residency may not even qualify. Now, unless you're already bumping into the 7 or 8 figure territory, this is often overkill. But for some, it's the ideal place to shelter and grow a fortune that's safe from volatility. So, where should you be banking? Well, most of my viewers will fall into the AOB or Premier banking rungs. The key is matching your deposit size, your legal status, and your goals to the right tier. If you've got 5,000 to 75,000 accessible offshore, well, that's powerful. If you've got 75,000 to 300,000, step into Premier banking. Above that, Private banking may apply, but only after your ducks are in a row legally and tax wise. Now, this isn't about hype, it's about using the right tools for your specific goals. And trust me, even a small move up these rungs gives you better protection, stronger diversification, and more control over your future. So if you're ready to join the smart money crowd, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe because next we're diving deep into the best banks in Singapore, Switzerland, and the UAE for mid tier wealth holders. Now, before you go, here's something I don't say lightly: start the process today. Use the free assessment in the description to see which rung you qualify for. No obligation, no shady sales pitch. Whether you're just consolidating between retail and offshore, or you're ready to step up to Premier, they'll show you your best options based on your citizenship and where you live. So if you're ready to protect your money from inflation, maintain global access, and keep privacy intact, this is your roadmap. Drop a comment and let me know which tier you think fits you best. I'll help steer you in the right direction. So thanks for watching. If this resonated, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more financial clarity, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive on safe global banking strategies. I'll see you soon, and stay smarter than the system. Have a great day.